weight division. In the red corner, from Unbeatable Boxing, we have Stephanie Sledgehammer Strong. We have Dani, the technician, Anderson! This is the final bout for the ladies, and it will not be an easy battle. Both brought their entire village to support them. It's a battle between the Sledgehammer and the technician. Will it be the weapon or the wielder that takes the win? Round one.
Itu saling hingga.
of round 2. Last round.
Head against each other. Let's speak to them about their boxing experience here today. So I see you. Alright, there first. Okay, so today, up there you were taking punches from her. I'm sure you must have felt tired at any point of time. What kept you going?
The guys in my corner.
Alright, so what would you say to ladies out there about boxing?
I think, coming during the sport, you lose a lot of weight, get hit in the face.
Free plastic surgery. Thank you very much. Okay, and what about you dealing punches after punches? You must have been exhausted. What kept those punches coming and going and going?
So what's win?
She wants to win. Alright, and we'll see the results in a few short moments, and good luck to both of you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I hope we see here today, ladies are not a force to be trifled with, and they have the guns to prove it. And the winner for bout number 13 is the red corner, ladies and gentlemen, give it up to Dani!
athletic. And I'm sure they don't just represent themselves, they don't just represent their gyms. Today they both fought for all you ladies out there. That you ladies are not a force to be trifled with. Alright, so that's it for the